website Pay After Cure. When you land on the home page, go to the menu, select Smart Remedy Finder, and then log in. It requires registration. If you have not registered, please do that first. You log in. We have a test account, so we will use that. Using the test account, we log in and then land on the Smart Remedy Finder page. Let's see, we select the illness, cold and flu. After selecting that, we scroll down. Under the category of general, there is what is your name? You can write your name and then start answering all other questions. I will make some random choices. After answering all the questions, scroll down to the bottom of the page. Click Get Prescription. The next page will show you the summary of your answers. Go to the end of the page and see if the above answers are correct or not. If they are correct, select yes, otherwise no, and you will go back to the previous page. So we'll assume everything is correct. Yes. Then select next. It will take you to the next page, which is disclaimer. After you have read the disclaimer, you select the check mark. Then you will have two options. First is yes, that you want to use our consultation service. And then no, if you don't want to use and you are conversant with homeopathy. Let's assume you are selecting no. Then you select Get My Prescription. It will take you to the next page, which contains your remedies which fit your case. If you see here, all these 5 steps have been completed, which means that all the steps of finding the remedy have been completed. You get the remedies fitting your case. The details of these remedies will also be sent in your email. So once you have done that, read about the symptoms of these remedies and choose the one which fits you. Thanks for watching.